नित्यानंद सहोदितं श्रीनंदनंदनं वंदे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनमनोहरं वृन्दायै तुलसीदेव्यै प्रियायै केशवस्य कृष्णभक्तिप्रदे देवी सत्वतै नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। श्रीकृष्णचैतन्य प्रभुनित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Which language? I first offer my Danmut Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs. नित्य पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत्शिष भक्ति जीवन जनार्दन गोसाई महाराज। नित्य पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शिष भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोसाई महाराज। ऑल सिरूपान गुरु बारगस। नित्य पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शिष भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोसाई महाराज। नित्य पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी गोस्वामी महाराज। Today they have sannyas tithis. All Vaishnavas, Vaishnavis, I do pranam. So today's so special day, auspicious day. You heard name of sannyas, you feel this is very inauspicious because leaving everything. No more attachment, no more material things. But this is auspicious. Sannyas means everything cut, all rope, karma pass. We are tied by diet, rajogun, tamogun, sattvagun, this rope. Life and life is no, our neck. विहार करिया जाए छाड़न न जाए, साधु गुरु कृपा बिना नाही कबू। This Maya is very strong. We cannot defeat. Also cannot live. Very critical situation. Cannot defeat, cannot live. Because we are not that much strong, we can push Maya, throw Maya, leave Maya. Also cannot defeat Maya. But if Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnav's mercy, then we can able. For that we have to fully surrender. This line is very simple line, simple cities. Vaishnava means we very simple. If cheat, then he will cheat it. Gati vanchita vanchak achintya padam. Guru Vaishnava's feet is achintya. They can give you gatis, can liberate you, also can cheat you. Don't think by your power you will do something. Because power coming from them, high authorities. or if they will not satisfy, they anytime cut, anytime switch off. Looks everything okay, bulb is okay, line is okay, fitting is okay, but no function. And thinking functions going, but not their function off. So very careful. So today Vishwarup Prabhu took sannyas, left his departure, no? He also realized this world is not permanent. Everything is temporary. Everything is destroying. So he's teaching to us. He's Vishwarup. Vishwarup means he is the whole world, everything he is. Nityananda Swarup, no? What we looking Golok Vrindavan to hear, all are his Swarupa. Vishwarup means the whole Swarupas he is. But his teaching for bhajan to Bhagavan, service to Bhagavan, you have to leave all things, all attachment. All things means all attachment. And fully surrender to Bhagavan. When he appeared that time in Maya Navadip, no Sudh Bhaktis. Few devotees discussing Sudh Bhaktis, especially Advaita Church Prabhu, Srivas Pandit, Murari Gupta, some together sitting and some discuss about Bhaktis. So Vishwarup going his assembly, or when he go, then Advaita Church Prabhu become very happy. Before no one, then he worship to Thakurji, Saligram, some Thakurjis. But when Vishwarup Prabhu come, then he stop to puja. Embracing him, crying, and hours staying with him, talking. And Vishwarup always speak Bhaktis. All Vedas, Shastra, Puran, Gita, Bhagavad, everywhere Bhakti, Bhakti, Bhaktis. Who is Shastra, no Bhakti, don't read, don't hear. Normal people, if read Bhagavad Gita, very hard to understand Bhaktis. They reading and after telling very strongly, Karmana eva adhikaraste. You right to do karma. Like this. Ma phale sukadach. This is the one part, no? This also proper way used. Vaishnavas also doing karmas, you also doing karma, but your karma just your stomach, how can feel? And Vaishnavas are doing how can satisfy to Thakurji. His all activities for satisfaction to Bhagavan, or your all activities, how can stomach, niceness thing go, nice dress, nice house, nice facilities, nice enjoy, nice these material things all come to me. This because we are doing karma. This is the bond. But one devotee is any nice thing looking, everything try to offer Thakurji. This person very nice, very young, very sweet, very good. If he become devotees, how can serve Thakurji? Always devotees think like that. He have this art, these qualities. If this apply for Thakurji, how nice. But ordinary person thinking this quality I enjoy. Is good dancer, good singer, good speaker. I enjoy to this. But devotees, everything like to Thakurji. So that time Vishwarup Prabhu was so upset and happy because no one know what is meaning of bhaktis. First they don't know Shastra, you read Shastra, then wrong way telling. So he speak about bhakti, bhakti, bhakti. Sa bhakti paranurakti sware. Bhakti means fully absorbed to Bhagavan. Everything absorbed for Bhagavan. Sarvupadhi vinirmukta par tatvena nirmalam risikena risikesu semnang bhakti ruchyate. Sannyas means no like that. Now I took sannyas, then that means I become Bhagavan. I great personality, I'm highest, so all serve to me. Sannyasi means you have to serve. Sannyasi means serve Thakurji. Why would took sannyas? For which purpose? Be to bhogi? No, sannyas for service. Mahaprabhu took sannyas, is Bhagavan, but how much service? He go to holy places, their darshan, they are hearing of these all things collecting, then he telling to his devotees, and Jagannath Rath Jatra time he's pulling, dancing, Gundicha Marjan, always doing some seva. Teaching himself. Ujjaini's this Brahman, one slok spoke when he becomes sannyasi Avadhut. Then he said, Etam samasthaya paratma nishtha adhyasitam purma tavai maharsibhi aham tarasyami duranta param tamo mukundangri nisevaya eva. Etam samasthaya paratma nishtha adhyasatam. I am this nishtha getting, Bhagavat nishtha, Paramatma nishtha. This nishtha, our goal, no mind move to here there, just fully observe to Krishna. Previous acharyas did like that. I am also doing like that. This way I cross this all darkness, all anarthas. Aham tarasyami durant param tamo mukunda angri nisevaya eva. Fully I serve to Mukunda's lotus feet. This koi Mahaprabhu every day take to Jagannath darshan. Every day from Jagannath dance, every day do kirtan, every day some katha, some hearing, some speaking, means all these bhakti, sadhan bhakti's limbs he following, no? Rishikena Rishikeso Sebnang Bhakti Richate. Doing seva, sannyas means do seva. Absorb to these all things. With transcendental Sarup mood, no material senses touch to Thakurji. Rishikena Rishikesh means when he is fully surrendered to Guru Vaishnava taking Diksha, that time these senses becoming transcendental. Or that transcendental senses we serve to Krishna. They giving, this step power giving, this step Sarup giving. Because when they connect, then you are Sud Sattva, Visheshatma, Prem Sujansu Sambhag, Ruchi Vichitta Masirna Kirda se Bhav Uchyate. Bhav immediate can enter heart. Sannyas means this one mantra, no, this Bhav mantras. I am fully taking to that Bhav, that mood. When Guru giving, then this mood come in heart. That Bhav Asraya. That service, that mood. So Vishwarup Prabhu realized and he left all things. All Vaishnavas starting to crying because when Vaishnavas go separate, this is big separation. Oh, God give one good Sangha, but our bad luck, his Sangha also gone. That time, Sachi Mother, Jagannath Mishra, hitting on chest, Vishwarup. All families, peoples, all neighbors came and tried to pacify them. Don't cry. Because he realized this bird Tattva Siddhantas. This ko he gone. But another one you have, Nimai, who have Nimai, he no need many son, one is enough. He is more than million, billion son. He will take care of you. This way they like to satisfy them, but Jagannath Mishra saying, what is guarantee he will also stay? Because he also too much attached to his brother. His brother what reading, what doing, he always looking his things. So his mood also following to him. Yes, Nimai Pandit, small age, If mother, father something telling, don't do this, don't do that, he not too much attention. Too much doing childhood, no? But when Vishwarup Prabhu come, hey Nimai, what is going? He become like this. Very serious. Hey Vishwarup, and that time Nimai not more restless. So Jagannath Mishra no, his nature mood like Vishwarup. And he's too much following his mood. When he's saying like this, he become like this. But anyhow, that time this pacified to him, satisfied to him. And Advaita Church Prabhu saying, I realize, I feel in my heart, we no need to go here, there. This place Golok Vrindavan came. Here we will dance, here we will sing, here we will tell Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Very soon this will come. Because I can see this Nimai, it's like a magnet. Vishwarup attractive was so much, but when Nimai coming, then all attraction going to Nimai. Because Vishwarup is Nityananda Swarup, his attractions naturally, and Nimai is like source of source, is the source of Nityananda Prabhu. When he come, that time all attention going to Nimai. When Vishwarup in Advaita Church assembly in Patsalas, Gurukul, what Advaita Church teaching, Nimai Pandit come to bring to Vishwarup Prabhu, come mother is calling for prasadam. That time all devotees looking to Nimai, his ankle bells, by this nice sound making him walk like this chum chum, this hearing this thing, his eyes, face, his body language, everything, no, so attractive. Like pitambars and this hairs curly like this, bangle like this. Saundarje Kama Koti Sakal Jan Samhaladane Chandra Koti. When he looking everyone, putting eyes vision, then looking his eyes coming 1,000 million billion Vatsalya. He nourishmenting everyone, telling you are all my devotees. Don't worry, you are discussing about me, take this mercy. He also very carefully how long that area walking, hearing what they are talking. Or in talk, they hearing Krishna. Krishna is this, Krishna's died, Krishna did this, Krishna is taking butter, Krishna died by mother, this, that. Then Nimai Pandit becoming very happy, Nimai, thinking they all are talking about me. Previous life, I am Krishna, Braj Leelas, and I am doing this, so he is talking about me. So he feels so much happy and putting everyone eyes, giving mercy, looking everyone. That time, Vatsalya Koti, Tridas Koti Vitapinam, Koti Avdar Dasari. So Advaita Church and all devotees become statues, like samadhis. When he came, when he took Vishwarup, then Advaita Church telling to all devotees, who is he? This Nimai. We have no any material attachment, but this boy is not material. His all behavior and all educating never less than Krishna, Bal Gopal Krishna. So our heart, only Bal Gopal Krishna this much can attractive. Another ordinary boy cannot. How are too much attached to him? This here Vrindavan Thakur one katha telling Brajvas is like when Krishna become calf and cowherd boys, everyone Krishna this all. That time they attach to them, too much attractive. Even Baldev Prabhu is looking this thinking, what is this? So similarly, because Nimai is Krishna, they don't know, but Tattva is there, power is there, Sarup is there, so his thing barking. And Advaita just too much using his brain, too much thinking. When brain and heart together barking, then he realizing this boy is Krishna. This when Vishwarup gone, then he's saying, very soon we will become more happy than before. My heart telling like that. Then after another thing happened. So 2 days Vishwarup Prabhu's sannyas day. No so much time, no so briefly 5-10 minutes I will finish because prasad time. So Vishwarup Prabhu's, Mahaprabhu's and all previous acharyas, Madhvendra Puripad and many, no, Iswar Puripad and yes, many acharyas, no, they show these things. Bina sarva satyage na bhajati, na bhavati bhakti. If no everything live, then you cannot fully serve. This because they all attach left and serve. So today's Param Guru is Pujpat Nitla Bhakti Pragyan Kesav Gosai Maharaj. We know he very young age left everything, came to Prabhupada. And from beginnings Prabhupada saying he is sannyasi. Only his clothes need to change, but his mood, his behavior, everything, sannyasis. 2, 3, 4 times Prabhupada tried to give him sannyas. Already one time arrangement, all cloth, everything. No one time this arrangement, 2 times telling no, but already there. But Kunj Bihari Prabhu, no, Vidyabhushan Prabhu, he came and said, now no time for his sannyas. Because if he will take sannyas, then who will take care of these whole properties? Mayapur, no, whole belong to Prabhupada. From no Chandkaji Samadhi, from Sridhar Angan. Sridhar Angan, no, very inside this Jagannath temple, we went to one time, no, and after walk, then Sridhar Angan. So this all property from there to Jogpit, or also where this no hospital mode, this all area belong to Chaitanya Gaudiya Math. Chandkaji Samadhi under them, Sridhar Angan them under of Chaitanya Math and this whole area. So these big things have to take care. Prabhupada gave him title Kirti Ratna. His nature like that, this thing he can serve. Have to go court, this, that, many things. So stopping many times because this seva who will do? So when time coming for sannyas, cannot take. After Prabhupada departure, after departure 3 years, one dream came strong. What you are doing? You are not taking sannyas. Okay, I am giving you sannyas. Now take sannyas. On dream is looking, I am good, I got sannyas. Everything's happened and my Gurudev's doing Jai Dhvani Bhakti Pragyan Kesav, some his name reciting and that time is wake up. Then he realized no more delay, no have to take sannyas. So he came Katwa, where Mahaprabhu took sannyas, same place. Pujpat Bhakti Rachak Sridhar Goswami Maharaj gave him sannyas. On his name putting, giving same Bhakti Pragyan. So, Bhakti Pragyan is too much attached to Vedantas. Pragyanam Brahma, who know these things. Param Gurudevs asking him anytime Hari Kathas, he's too much speak about Vedanta Sutras. And these all sutras, he make meaning so juicy, so ras. Normally people read Vedanta Sutra very hard, no make to rush to that. Anavriti sabdat, api sangradne na partacha anumanabhyam, tattu samanbayat. These all mantras, sutras, Param Gurudev is speaking, then Prabhupada too happy and all Vedanta thing gave him. So his bhakti is prakisht gyan. Because Vedanta Sutras, very clear understanding how can serve to Krishna. Gyan means no like I am Brahma. This is very dangerous. You know you are soul, okay. But after soul, what is soul dharmas? These things you don't know, that is very dangerous. So Prakishta Gyan, Pragyan means they don't know only Sarupas, who are there. He said on self, I am Vinod. On Sarupas, Vinod Manjra. But what is that Sarupa's activities, service? Who are very expert to that called Pragyan, Prakishta Gyan. I know my Sarupa, this is one Gyan. You know your Sarupa's activities, that is real Gyan, Pragyan. So Pragyan, who is Pragyan? Kesav. Kesav is Krishna's one name, but his namely Kesav. In practically he fell. Kesav means two meaning. One Kesav is Ka, Brahma, Isa, Sankara, Tau, Bayati, Sasyati, Iti Kesava. Kesava means who control to Brahma and Shivas and all demigods under whom working. Everyone under whom. That called Kesava. And another meaning Kesan Bayati. Kesava. Kesan means hair, who nicely hair decorate. There, dasis are when servicing to Radharani, when they decorate to Radharani, no one hair break. You're not expert, you go to comb, maybe half hair will take off. No expert, because you don't know how comb to use. You may be little crooked like this, that, proper, no. Need too much patience and same sarup, same mood. Too much Atmavat. Feel Radhika is my Atma, my soul. Atma Koti Gunam Krishnam. So much attachment. They only can do. So by his sevas, so prakishta. Like they only nicely do it, this all service. This his name, so sweet. Like Vedanta's things there, or Vedanta's last understanding, who not come this service, then what meaning of reading this all Ved Shastras? Nice thing. So this all Vedanta gave to his followers, this understanding, this service mood, because Vedanta means seva, bhaktis. Last Vedas, many things telling, but many things telling inside bhakti saying. We no understand, this is our problem. मुख गौण वृत्ति अन्वय व्यतिरेके वेदर प्रतिज्ञा केवल कहे कृष्ण के. Vedas, Shastras, Vedantas, any way they talk, anything talking, direct, indirect, main goal they want serve to Krishna. Even Vedas, many demigods' name came, his activities came, who are doing this, that, many things. But ultimately they are working behalf Krishna. They are servant. So by karma be no risk to them. Realize their position for take care to these things, Krishna's. Ultimately be this all understand and go to Krishna seva. No absorber to Swarga and this all any Jana lok, Sattap lok, any lok. So this all thing telling only proper understanding, not telling you absorber to that. Like Parikshit Maharaj also Bhagavatam, many things asking what is this, what is that. Curiosities, no? What is Swarga, what is Satal, Bital, Sutal, Talatal, Patal, but this all telling, but Parikshit not attached to this all, ultimately attached to Radha Krishna Sevas. So all Shastras last goal, last meaning, how can serve to Thakur. So this meaning, this understanding he gave to us. It's really pragyan. Very sure understanding, pure understanding, that called pragyan. Prakisht understanding. Topmost understanding. That is bhaktis. So all his disciples, all his sannyasis, giving this title, no, Bhakti Vedanta. When Swami Goswami Maharaj took sannyas, he also got this Bhakti Vedanta. And he's going to America, this one prayer saying, no, Bhakti nahi, Ved nahi, Namete Vedanta. Too humbly saying, I have no bhakti, I have no understanding, but my Gurudevs, my sannyas Guru gave me this name, no, Vedantas. This is the nature. Bhakta as much serve, as much bhakti there, but they never satisfy. They always saying, I have no bhakti. They are not this acting drama from heart. They are feeling like that. I have no bhakti. Mahaprabhu himself saying, I have no bhaktis, no prema, smell of prema, fragrance of prema. Radharani herself telling, I have nothing. I have no affection for Krishna. I am not doing any seva for Krishna. That means how much you grade, how much, and realize that much you become like that. Humble from heart. And who become like that much humble, that much their thing coming, means that much you empty, that much this pure thing fill up. So it's too much lamenting, why I got this title, why I came here, what I will do, who can help me. And this all mercy is Gurudev mercy, Diksha Guru mercy, Sannyas Guru mercy, Sachinandan Gaur Hari mercy, all come because we start from bottom, Das, Dasanu Das, then top thing, we connect to low things, like Gurudev, then all up thing connection coming quickly. So he's saying, I am nothing, why I came, why Gurudev give me sannyas, what I do. At that time, this mercy of Param Gurudev's, mercy is Gurudev's birth, and his did seva Sachinandan Gaur Hari. So today is also sannyas day. If know this thing, take this message, what is meaning of shastras, that is Bhakti. Swami Maharaj preaching there, then always speak this thing, Bhagavad Bhakti. One time I heard his lecture. Bhagavad Bhakti hinasya jatis japas tapas kriya pranasya dehasya mananam loka ranjanam. Our main things, mood of service. This is the final things. If this mood not develop, then you have too much japas, too much chanting Hare Krishna, too much doing tapasya, too much Vrindavan parikarma, too much exercising, too much activities doing here, there running, too much, big class giving, big computer looking, big, following this, many things doing. But these very, subtle things. If this thing develop, this understanding, this fully, this only coming by mercy. Okay, hard work, but if Guru Vaishnava heart melt by your these things, then they will transfer. But if you know this thing, then Bhagavad Bhakti is jatis, japas, tapas, I am high caste, this pride not enough. Too much japas, tapas, kriyas, these all are like dead body. If no soul, no conscious in body, then this body decorate, what benefit? So apranasya dehasya mananam loka ranjanam. When people die, then too much decorating, too much money spending, too much bhandara doing, this, that doing. But when he was alive, that time, no giving one cloth, no one chapati, nothing. Too much like this. So this just no propaganda. So name of bhakti, we don't do propaganda, What called propaganda, Too much drama acting, like this, that. So these all are useless. We not get anything, but get this mood, we are very rich. Can see great person, Not too much wasting time for that. This come, that come. I can see this, When she came very young age, all power, position, everything she was. She study so high education, also job getting, to respect everything, head of department, everything. But she many times to gold medal, many she was. She also came this line and beginning how much she all understanding this Tattva Siddhanta Shastra, everything. Who know how much Gurudev teaching to her? Everything, every word, every letter. But ultimately she understand these subtle things, how love, affection for Thakurji. For that, she no anything care. She no care who is giving how much puja and pratisthas. But she always care. Every day Thakurji's 10 sabjis, nice cloth, nice bed, nice sleeping, nice everything, nice. He's happy, his pleasure, his sukhas. What call it? His enjoyment. She no feel Thakurji like deity, no? Mahaprabhu just saying, Vigraha nahi, tumi Pratima nahi, tumi Sachat Brajendra Nandan. This way doing seva. When night time Thakurji make to sleep from heart, how making soft bed and pillows and chadars and sleeping time whole area cleaning and putting fragrance or some nice butter, sweet butter, everything. Anywhere Thakurji even no thirsty, no sleep come, no thirsty, desire come to drink. And Jnani saying Bhagavan never sleep, he's turious. But when devotees this type arrangement, he no more turiya, immediately fell down. Cannot keep conscious. Prahlad Maharaj somewhere prayer saying, who what can give you? His bhakta, but some gyan mix, If anyone giving him, that his satisfaction. But no, one pure devotee is really this type mood, no own satisfaction, everything doing for Krishna's satisfaction. Even they're looking in mirror, Prahlad Maharaj saying, if anyone look in mirror, that means he won't self-satisfy. I'm looking my face, how I am. So what is benefit to mirror? This his understanding telling. But actually rather any gopis look in mirror, that time not feelings coming like this, how I'm nice. Feeling coming, if Krishna look this thing, how he feel? My this ornament, my this earring, nose ring, this necklace, everything, when Krishna vision come, then how he become intoxicated? The immediate disconnecting to Krishna. This is very subtle thing. We cannot be anything, look, own self enjoy. Oh, very nice. Own self feeling, calm, own taste coming. But this will give someone happiness, these subtle things, no easy to understand, or not coming this mood, if no mercy of Gurudev's. From heart not coming, acting we are doing seva for Krishna. But ask from your heart, you doing for Krishna and everything enjoying yourself. Honestly will think, then you realize 99.9% I am enjoying. Or sometimes by mistake, 0.1 going to Krishna. This also going because I am not fully attention, Sometimes then some going 1 point to Krishna. But when myself attention, then all taking my enjoyment. So not like that. No? So mercy of her. Any life we can understand these things. She gives so much, Myself, I think where I took birth, which village, who can go there, who can go? Who can bring from there? What her mercy brought. Sometimes bring, like Narad Muni, when want to Dhruva Maharaj, bring Dhruva Maharaj walking that area, which area Narad Muni stay. So I also just mercy came here. Where she stayed, that area I went, pulling, and she came to there. On her mercy, these 2 days what I got sannyas, my mind not coming anything. 2-3 times Gurudev's arrange, tell you take, why not taking? One time Rup Sanatan, everything ready. And I went somewhere and I came late and could not happen. Then last, when Didi said, now no time, she also looked one dream in that room sleeping. And I'm sannyas, and she wake up saying, you took sannyas? And I smiling. And then immediate morning saying, now bring cloth. Damodar Maharaj was here, bring cloth, maybe 4 set and all color. And which night she looking dream, next day snow, Chaturdasi, which evening we went to Delhi, or morning is Purnima. So first day cloth making and drying, and next day we went to Delhi, evening time reached to Gurudev's place, try to do pranam, but door is closed. Cannot go inside. Then I said to Madhav Maharaj, we came to Vrindavan, want to darshan. Madhav Maharaj said, no, morning time Gurudev's half-hour walk outside, but evening time no. Then he open door little, and Gurudev's may be there, very distant. Say, look, there's Gurudev on cot, and you do pranam here, go. You cannot go to close Gurudev's. So you cannot go close, then cannot tell anything. Why I came, what I want. So saying, if 2 days doing like that, then tomorrow what happened? Just in my mind thinking. Okay, I keeping my things inside, not telling anything, no? Just, okay, tomorrow see what can happen. But by that action, we can understand, no easy to go close to Gurudev or talk anybody, tell anything. Next time morning, again outside door is standing. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Then I said to Madhav Maharaj, anyhow, one darshan, I want to talk urgently with Gurudev. Just one word I tell and come. He's saying, what you tell me? You cannot go like this. Too much pushing. Then saying, today's Vishwarup Mahotsav and I want to take sannyas. Today's special day, this cause I came. I want to take sannyas. No, Gurudev is very sick, cannot open like this. And then after that, all doors sealed. 3 doors and also sticker. Today no darshan. 11 o'clock nothing, but after 11:30 big restriction. No darshan today, no darshan. 12 o'clock madhyan bhog, 12:30 aarti. Ito nirsinga, parito nirsinga, jato jami tato nirsinga. I came 12 o'clock, Didi place, downstairs saying, the situation cannot go. Didi make 3 letters saying, write, 3 letter I writing. Same letter, 3 place writing. One to Brinda Didi. Didi gave to her, you take this. She gave to her. So one Brinda's taking, or one giving to Madhav Maharaj, or one Didi keeping. And what is Brinda this letter? That letter 12:15 or 12 o'clock gave to Gurudev's. Because her letter she not keeping, maybe she gave on through Brajnath Prabhu, and Gurudev took that letter and reading. And when I read, then some order passed. And then I was outside and the Damodar said, Chalo Prasad, now Gurudev already resting. I saying, go, you take Prasad, I will not go. And then door open, Madhav Maharaj looking me, feet to head looking. What tell, not tell. And another side, Hare Krishna Prabhu came, open door, he dancing, happened, ho gaya. I said, what happened? Because I no understand, but he also no want to tell me anything. He just happy. Happened. Then Madhav Maharaj maybe 2 minutes watching to me, at me, after 1-2 minutes, he react, Gurudev calling you. Then saying, okay. Then I go inside, darshan, pranam. Then I saw Gurudev's bed and table is full of prasadam, many type of sabjis, this all fruits things, because Gurudev Sikh Leela, no, so no grains and another thing, but all was like a Gadasi type things. And Gurudev meditating like this, they're sitting on. When I pranam looking, do you want sannyas? I said, Gurudev, your mercy. Where's your cloth? No so much, no making this and that, just one word, no, where's your cloth? That time I running, where's my cloth? When came, then door is locked. That time very angry, no, lock, break, what do, because he's going on his own prasad. Anyhow, after 5 minutes, open door, quickly bent, and all Gurudevs saying to Madhamaras, make how to is bearing this coffin door, this all dress, all bearing inside. It's like in theater, no? You go on some operation, cut everything, and 5 minutes chalo out. And then 5 minutes after, when this bearing whole cloth and mantra took and all things, when came outside, I also not recognize who am I. Because 20 years I wearing white cloth, and immediate whole change, no? And came outside, then I no recognize who am I, and Didi looking me, even looking front saying, where's Syam? Then Anang Mai Didi Haridev Puru saying, he is here, front you. Oh. So this all mercy, no, Gurudevs gave this thing we can keep forever. This all mercy to our head, our heart. This is the real Guru Bhakti, Guru Sevas. We cannot be like them, but can be one small dust of them, feet dust. That is enough for us. We also don't want to be big anything. Just they remember, no, life, I am them. Like Narottam Das Thakur saying, Adanas tirnang dante ridam punah Srimad Rup Padam Bhoja Dhuling Sang Janmani. So our Guru Devs who gave this much mercy, this much mood, I can life be his feet dust. Nam Sresthang Manumapi Sachi Putra Matra Sarupam Rupam Tasyagrajam Rupuri Matrim Goshtavatim Radha Kundam Girivar Maho Radhika Madhavasam Prapto Jasya Pratid Kripaya Sri Kuruntam Natosmi. Or another old katha you heard how the dand, how this happened, how Jagya, same day sannyas, Jagyas, everything Guru has done. This very special day, Vishwarup Mahotsav, this day I cannot forget forever. This what happened. So this again remember this day, mercy of Gurudevs. This is our bhajan. We cannot do anything. Myself, what they did, this thing just remember. What they are doing, this remember. Amani mana dhaya Krishna naam sada lave, braje radha Krishna seva mana se kari. Don't be so much pride. Amani na man dena, and always chant Krishna name, and mindly this all Guru Vargas, what they done, what they are doing, this all remember. But we have no diet level, so now our body use, one time will come, body become transcendental. That time, everything's, Atma's level, Sarup level it will do. When that day will come, when they fully connection give, on our this sattva becomes Sud Sattvas, Visesh Atmas, and forever we can serve like Didis, like Gurudevs, like my Diksha Gurudevs. Only they can pull me on mercy. I am very weak, like we are like kite baby, no power hold. So mother always like this. But we try to like a monkey type catching, but not so much expert. So your mercy too much huge. My holding power don't, I believe that much. How much I can hold when I leave and drop, we don't know. But he will catch, then no chance to drop, and very safe. So our power don't so much believe. Okay, catch, but don't so much believe to that. Anytime monkey jumping very strongly, can high chance, sometimes chance to drop. But when mother catching on baby, cat, they never dropping. It's too much, vasagya, So when Guru Vaishnava naturally catch, no chance to drop. but you become strong. No need to your catch, no need to your support. So no. Okay, you can do, but don't pride for that. No, they are doing. We no do. बोलो श्री गुरुदेव की जय, श्री विश्वरूप महामहोत्सव की जय, जय नितला पृष्ठ भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोसाई महाराज की जय, जय नितला भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी गोसाई महाराज की जय, तदीय संन्यास दिवस की जय, श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि। What saying? Didi?